In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Zoho CRM for the year 2025. This process is straightforward but crucial for managing your team's access and organization within your CRM system. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the home page of Zoho CRM. This is the central hub for all your CRM activities and where you'll begin this setup. Once you're there, look for the gear icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu, where all the administrative magic happens. Clicking on the gear icon will open up a series of options. From there, you need to locate and click on the General tab. This area houses a variety of settings related to your CRM's overall structure and operation. Within the General tab, you'll see an option labeled Users. Click on it, as this is where you can manage all current and prospective users of your Zoho CRM account. Next, you'll want to click on the New User button. This action will bring up a form where you'll input the new user's details. It's important to fill out all necessary information, so ensure you've got their full name and a valid email address ready. These are essential for setting up their account and ensuring they receive all necessary communications and access. Once you've entered the new user's basic details, you'll need to assign them an appropriate role. Zoho CRM allows you to assign roles that reflect the user's position and responsibilities within your organization. Be sure to select a role that aligns with their job functions and the level of access they should have within the CRM. After choosing the role, click on the Select button. This action finalizes the role assignment and prompts you to define their profile. Profiles in Zoho CRM dictate what a user can do within the system. Choose a profile that matches the level of functionality and access you desire for that user. This is a crucial step to ensure compliance and access control within your team. Once you've selected the profile, the final step is to hit Save. This action will add the new user to your Zoho CRM and afford them the access needed to start interacting within the system. Be sure to double check all your entries before saving to avoid any mistakes that could affect user access. And there you have it. A new user has been successfully added to your Zoho CRM. Remember, managing user roles and profiles effectively is key to maintaining a well-organized and secure CRM environment. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on maximizing your CRM's potential.